Tuesday's trade. Today's actually Thursday. I traded today as well, but I'm going to go over that in a separate video. I did not trade yesterday, which was Wednesday. It was my daughter's graduation. She just graduated 5th grade, and I wasn't about to ruin my little baby's graduation day because Daddy was too busy trading. Right? We gotta put some time aside for our personal lives. And I'm doing this so I can have more time for my personal life. So I need to learn how to juggle both of them. So I wasn't about to ruin that day. Anyways, back to the strategy. I'm just going to run through it real quick. 12 a.m. to 8:30, you're going to mark out the highs and the lows. And then we're going to wait for the break of that high or low, right? I'll drop down to the 1 minute chart because that's where we take our entries at. And we're going to mark this out. See what happens. Okay, now I remember this day. Right here on Tuesday, I got a little emotional because it actually created, if you take a look at both candlesticks, they both went down to the same exact level and created equal bottoms, right? So there's liquidity under here. I wanted it to be broken, but this move still worked. So it created, even though it didn't grab the liquidity, it created an equal bottom. This fair value gap actually got respected, or the whole move was actually respected. And if you took this long position here, right, and you shot a 1 to 2, you would have hit full TP. Bam, and bam. Okay. I actually ran what? 1 to 3 or 3 to 1, however you say that. After seeing that, I was like, damn, there goes my day. I'm not going to get a trade. My wife is like, don't worry about it. You know, there's always another day to trade. But obviously 9:30 came and there was a sell-off, massive sell-off for NASDAQ. So I waited for the reversal to happen. And let's see. Was here. Okay. I was looking for 3 candle formation, this wick high to be broken. Got tested here, and then this candlestick broke it, right? So, and that one definitely broke it. Now, I got in early on this trade. I took my fib and looked at the OTE, right? But I was worried that it wouldn't hit the 61.8. So I decided to set up my 2 positions that I typically take. I decided to take them early, and I took it on this candle right here. So I ended up taking a long position, one above the candle and one right below it, right? Stops below the low, targeting a 1 to 2. Right. So moving forward, we got tagged in. Now I'm going to show you actually the position. I got tagged into this position. That was my first position, and then I got obviously tagged into the second position. I'm going to go off of the second position because my 1 to 2 came a lot sooner, right? So what basically ended up happening was, at this point where my 1 position closed out already and then my other one was open, I decided to close out this position. Closing out that position with the risk reward that of where I opened the trade, it was no longer 1 to 2, now it was a 1 to 5, a 1 to 1.5. So instead of me making my typical $1,500, I ended up making $1,300. I was okay with that just because I was worried that the trade was going to reverse on me. Psychologically, I was okay with what I made that day, right? So obviously it started coming back down. I would have moved my, at this point, regardless, I would have moved my stop loss to break even because I was way more than 75% of the move. And this little bit of distance, believe it or not, could have stopped me out depending on where my stop loss was. And then eventually, and that one definitely would have. Screw that. Never mind. I would have gotten stopped out. So it was the right choice for me. And eventually went full TP. All right. So that was Tuesday's trade. Thank you guys for watching the video. And I'll see you guys. Take care.